Alright, so someone asked me about the drone. I got all the windows open though. So at 40, not pushing it, it's okay. I'll be on the highway in a minute. This might be a two-part video because I'm not going to get pulled over just for holding the camera. But with the windows open, if I push it, there's not enough buildings here. If I go in between a lot of buildings, which I was a little while ago, holy crap, it's loud. I'm pretty positive, even though I really love the sound, I'm gonna put the middle muffler back in. It's just a little too loud. .2,000 RPMs. I'm not pushing it yet. I'm gonna try from, like I said, the highway. I'll get all the windows up. Alright, I got the back windows up. My dog doesn't like the fact that I got the windows up, but that's okay. You can't see it. Hold on a second. You can if I hit the LED lights. Anyway, here we go. From a dig up to speed. Alright, windows are going up. Yeah, actually sounds like a freaking race car in a good way. So I'm going 80. Actually, the drone is not bad. It's a normal drone. That's 80 miles an hour, 2,000 RPMs. Let me slow down and pop off overdrive. Get me some RPMs, see how loud it gets. All right, so now we're at 35. That's a nice drone. It's actually not loud though. I'll bring it up to 45. It's still not bad. So, as far as the drone goes, in between buildings, it's horrible. On the highway, there is no drone.